Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to recover your stolen Rockstar account. The moment you suspect your account is compromised, immediate action is crucial. First, change the passwords for any email accounts linked to your Rockstar profile. Also, carefully review your email for any unusual login alerts or password reset requests you did not initiate. Finally, secure any other online accounts that might share similar login details to prevent further breaches. Taking these initial steps quickly can significantly aid in your recovery process. Once initial security measures are in place, your next step is to contact Rockstar Games support directly. Navigate to their official support website and locate the section dedicated to account recovery or stolen accounts. When submitting your request, provide as much detail as possible about the incident. Include the approximate date of the compromise and any unusual activity you observed. Being thorough here will help the support team understand your situation more clearly and expedite their investigation. To successfully recover your account, you will need to provide Rockstar support with proof of ownership. This might include digital or physical receipts for games purchased through your account or any activation codes you used. Screenshots of past support interactions, emails from Rockstar, or even transaction ID for in-game purchases can also be very helpful. The more evidence you can supply, the stronger your case will be, demonstrating that you are the legitimate owner of the account. After recovering your account, it is vital to implement robust security measures to prevent future compromises. First, enable two-step verification, which adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a code from your phone. Next, create a strong, unique password that combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid reusing passwords across different services. Finally, make it a habit to regularly review your account's security settings to ensure everything remains secure and up to date.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.